In this video, we'll be talking about changing the cut charts that are being used in OptimumCNC Plasma software. Upon opening the software, you're presented with the following screen with the Plasma tab that you can access by clicking this button in the top ribbon. Here we have some cut charts. Right now they are the PowerMax Sync cut charts for Hypertherm that you can utilize, load, edit, and save. If we'd like to change them, we'd like to go into the main settings menu for OptimumCNC by clicking on the logo in the top right corner, clicking on machine settings, navigating over to your technology tab, cut charts, and then going over to the cut charts database file name line right here. If you click on the drop down menu, you will have a number of cut charts available to you. Let us say that we will select the PowerMax 45-inch cut charts, and we'll press the Save button in the top right corner. Next, we will reload the software for the changes to take effect. Now that we have reloaded the software, we can head back into the Plasma tab, and we can see that we now have a different set of cut charts available to us, depending on which ones you've loaded into the software. Thank you for watching.